Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about best bicep exercises, dumbbell only. So a bicep contains of bicep brachii, which further consists of long head and the short head, and brachialis and brachioradialis. Brachioradialis is not a part of a bicep, it is a part of a forearm, but it is involved in most of the bicep exercises. Also, while doing bicep, you should keep in mind that you spread your chest, your shoulders should be tucked backwards, and your elbows should be fixed to your body. And the only movement that should take place will be of your forearm and your hands. Otherwise, your shoulder can take over the movement and your bicep will not receive that amount of tension which you expect it to be receiving. So let's get started. Our first exercise is iso curl. Iso curl is better than the ordinary curl because when your one hand is doing the full range of motion, the other hand is already receiving tension. While doing iso curl, I prefer that you should include the supination movement, as that movement alone pumps the bicep. This exercise focuses more on your long head. It also works your short head. Our next exercise is drag curl. Drag curl requires a different position from the ordinary bicep curl. In this, your elbows will be placed a little backwards than the ordinary bicep curl. This exercise helps to develop peak of the bicep or the long head. Next exercise is Zottman curl. This is an old school exercise named after a bodybuilder called Zottman. If you want to target your bicep completely, then this exercise is for you. It also targets your brachioradialis. You shouldn't go heavy on this, as the range of motion is very important and it will be only achieved with a lighter weight. I prefer that you perform this exercise with alternate hand, as that will help you to focus more on your muscle as compared to doing it simultaneously with both the hands. Our next exercise is hammer curl. This is a very famous exercise. It targets your brachialis. If you perform this exercise with alternate hands, you will be able to lift heavier and will also be able to focus on your muscle better. You can also perform hammer curl in this way. This will target your long head more as compared to the previous form. Our next exercise is concentration curl. Concentration curl focuses more on your short head. It also works your long head. For this exercise, you should place your elbow on your knee and lean over it, and the only movement that should take place will be of your forearm and your hand. When you think you can't do any more reps, you can also assist the movement with your other hand. So that's it. If you like this video, do like and comment. If you are new here, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification as soon as I post a new video. And please help me grow my channel by sharing this video and all the other videos. Thank you. Goodbye.